Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and simple spiral hat in 4 sizes. This hat is a top-down hat and we should start the work from here with a magic ring and continue until the down of the hat. And I used a worsted weight yarn and 5mm hook for this hat. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a magic ring and then make 3 chain as first double crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and make 1 double crochet. Again, yarn over, make 1 double crochet into the ring. One more time. Repeat that work, and we have to make 12 double crochets into the ring. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet. I should repeat that work 8 more times until reach 12 double crochet. Now at the end, pull this yarn tightly to close the ring completely, and now make a slip stitch into 3rd chain of beginning chains, and round 1 is finished. Now turn the work, and for securing the magic ring we have to tie this tail to one of these stitches. And then you can hide this yarn, this tail, through these stitches. And now I want to start next round. First make 2 chain, that doesn't count as a stitch. Then yarn over and make 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch, that's this chain 3. Insert the hook from front to back around the first stitch and make 1 front post double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet between the first stitch and the second stitch, not at top of the second, but make double crochet here into this space. Again, make 1 front post double crochet around next stitch here, and then make 1 double crochet between the 2nd and 3rd stitch into this space. One more time, make 1 front post double crochet around next stitch, then make 1 double crochet in this space between the 3rd and the 4th stitch, and repeat that work. Make 1 front post double crochet around each stitch, and then make 1 double crochet in between each 2 stitches, and continue until the end. Now I'm at the end, and after last front post double crochet, make the last double crochet between last stitch of previous row and first stitch of that here. And now make a slip stitch at top of first front post, not into this chain 2. Okay, and for start next round, round 3, make 2 chain again, and again we have to increase the number of stitches. So make 1 front post double crochet around first front post, and then make 2 double crochet into this space between the first front post and next double crochet here, 1 and 2. And skip this double crochet. Go to next front post, make 1 front post double crochet around that, and then make 2 double crochet between this front post and next double crochet into this space, 1 and 2, and skip this double crochet and repeat that work. we have to make 1 front post double crochet around each front post double crochet and make 2 double crochet in the space between front post and next double crochet, and skip all double crochets and continue this work until the end of round 3. At the end of round 3, make a slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet and start round 4 with 2 chain and make 1 front post double crochet around first front post. Then make 1 chain and again 2 double crochet in this space between the first front post and next double crochet here. 1 and 2. And then skip these 2 double crochets. Go to next group, make 1 front post double crochet around the front post, then make a chain and then make 2 double crochet in this space. 1 and 2. And skip next 2 double crochets, and we have to repeat that work. Make 1 front post double crochet around each front post, then make a chain and 2 double crochet into this space after each front post double crochet and before next double crochet, and skip next 2 double crochets and continue until the end. Now I'm at the end of round 4, and if you want to make this hat for baby size, these 4 rounds are enough, and then you have to stop increasing, and you have to repeat this round 4, several times, and continue until the height of your hat from the top of the hat from here, when you fold this circle in half, reach the desired height. Okay, actually you have to make 2 chain, 1 front post double crochet around first front post, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into this chain 1 space, 1 and 2, and repeat that work and that round. Okay, but for next size you have to continue increasing, and in this round 5, make this work: 1 front post, 1 chain and 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space. I should add another double crochet into this space. Okay, and then skip these 2 double crochets. Repeat that work: 1 front post double crochet around next front post, 1 chain and 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space. 1, 2 and 3, and continue this work. You have to make 1 front post around each front post and then make 1 chain and 3 double crochet into each chain 1 space of previous round. Okay, I'm at the end of round 5, and these 5 rounds are enough for next 2 sizes, for 1 to 3 years old and 3 to 5 years old size. And after that you have to stop increasing and continue this round 5 several times until reach the desired height from the top of the hat. Actually you should make 2 chain, 1 front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, then make 1 chain and 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space, and repeat that work until the end, and then repeat this round several times. Okay, but for next size 6 to 10 years old, you should make 1 front post double crochet and 2 chains, so we have to add another chain here. And after that, make 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3. And skip next 3 double crochets. One more time. Make 1 front post double crochet around next front post, then make 2 chain and 3 double crochet into this chain 1 space. 1, 2, and 3, and repeat that work until the end. Now round 6 is finished, and these 6 rounds are enough for child size 6 to 10 years old, and after that you have to stop increasing and continue this round 6 several times until reach the desired height. Actually you should make 2 chain, 1 front post double crochet around this front post, then make 2 chain and 3 double crochet into this chain 2 space of previous round, and skip next 3 double crochets and repeat until the end. Now for last size, teen or adult size, we should make 2 chain, 1 front post double crochet around first front post double crochet, then 2 chain and 4 double crochet into this chain to space. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and skip next 3 double crochet. One more time, make 1 front post double crochet around next front post, then 2 chain and 4 double crochet into this chain to space of previous round. 3 and 4, and skip next 3 double crochet and repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, now I'm at the end of round 7, and this is the last round of increasing, and after that we should repeat this round, round 7. Actually, we should make 2 chain, 1 front post double crochet around the first front post, then again make 2 chain and 4 double crochet into this chain to space of previous round, and skip next 4 double crochets, and repeat that for other groups, and then repeat this round several times until the height of the hat from here, from the top of the hat, reach the desired height. Okay, I repeated round 7 here 9 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and now the height of the hat has reached approximately 9 inches. That's enough for adult or teen size. And now for last round, make a chain and then make 1 single crochet into first front post, then make 2 single crochet into this chain to space. If you have a chain 1 space at the last round, you should make 1 single crochet into that, then make 1 single crochet into each stitch, and again 1 single crochet into next front post double crochet, 2 single crochet into next chain to space, and 1 single crochet into each of next 4 double crochets, and continue this work until the end. At the end, make a slip stitch into first single crochet, and then fasten off and cut the yarn. And hide this tail through the stitches. And now my beautiful spiral hat is finished. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.